todo ehersisyo ngayong bakasyon, hindi lang para sa kanilang kalusugan, kundi para rin maganda ang pangatawan na ibibilad sa beach. Pero ano-ano nga ba ang dapat tandaan pag nag-workout ngayong napakainit ng panahon? Nakatutok si Dano Tingkong.
Bagamat maraming gusto magpalamig sa gitna ng mainit na panahon, perfect din daw ang summer para magpapawis at mag-workout.
When it's hotter, that means that your metabolism also goes faster, and also your body feels a little bit more heat. And when you heat up, the tendency is your body wants to cool off.
Ayon naman sa isang Pilates coach, minsan nga raw nakatutulong pa ang init ng panahon.
It doesn't really mean they're losing more weight, and I tell them that because but they feel psychologically they think they are. So some people just prefer to sweat more.
Wala namang pinipiling panahon ang pag-ehersisyo, pero kung masyado mainit, payo ng mga eksperto, bukod sa pag-inom ng tubig, mainam na babaan ang intensity ng workout para maiwasan ng heat exhaustion.
If the body is exhausted because of the heat, mababa rin yung quality ng workout.
Kailangan din daw na may maayos na ventilation para makatulong sa pagpasok ng oxygen sa katawan.
Ventilation doesn't necessarily mean aircon or kailangan may electric fan ka. As long as hindi lang kulob yung room mo.
Maganda rin daw na combination exercises ang gawin para mas maraming muscle groups ang nae-ehersisyo sa mas maikling oras, tulad ng thruster na ginagamitan ng dumbbell.
So it's a full body exercise. You get to work your lower body, upper body, tapos may cardio ka na rin.
Ang kettlebell swing na tinatarget ang likod, tiyan, balikat at dibdib.
It's a very efficient exercise kasi it combines cardio and strength. So here, chest up, we swing it backwards muna, and then push. Yan.
At ang burpee na animoy pinagsamang push-up at cardio.
Onto the floor, kick back, go on the push-up, and then up, and then kick back, and jump up. Yeah, then you do it fast.
Mainam din daw ang Pilates, lalo sa mga nasa bahay lang o walang oras pumunta sa gym.
It's not your traditional crunching exercises. It's a little different. It incorporates both strength and may flexibility stretch at times. Bring your head up as high as you can para you're staring at your belly button. Pull 2 times. 1, 2, change.
Dano Tingkong, Nakatutok, 24 oras.